All right, number 5 says if 5 plus n equals 9 minus 1/3 n, what is the value of n? Right away, we want to consolidate our n's to one left side or right side, right? We do not want the variable on either side. And to treat this more like an algebra problem and less like a SAT process of elimination, I want to walk you through how we would solve this in a more algebraic approach. So right away, I want to get my n's to one side. And since we are on the calculator inactive and I see a fraction here, I'm going to convert this whole number into a fraction. I'm going to do this quickly. So that'd be 3n over 3.
Yes.
That would reduce to 1. And then it gives me the denominator that I'm comfortable working with over here on the right-hand side. So then at this point, again, I want to get all my n's to one side. And I try to keep the variable positive if I can help it. I try to keep everything positive if I can help it, just so I don't have to deal with negatives and canceling signs and whatnot. I don't know what it is about positive numbers, but my brain is certainly more in tune with that. So the whole number is just going to carry down. And then how many n's will this give me?
It would be 4/3.
Right. So equals, and then just 9 on the right-hand side. That makes sense how I did that?
Yes.
Okay. So then obviously now I want to get my other whole number to the right-hand side just by subtracting it. So we've got 4/3 n equals 4. And then now what I want to do is what?
Times the 4/3 to try to get rid of it. Or times 3 on the left side.
Yeah.
To try to get rid of the denominator.
Yep, I can do that. So that'll give me 4n equals 12.
And then divide by 4.
And then we'll divide and we'll find that n is 3. Yep. So real quick, what did you put for this one?
I put C because I immediately crossed out A and B because I thought those numbers would be too small. But I don't know why I did that now because it definitely wasn't right.
Okay. Why? Just curious. Why did you think that they were too small? Like, what about 3 and 4 seemed too small? Did just
I thought 5 plus 3 shouldn't be less than 9. Or 5 plus 4 shouldn't be less than 9 because it had to be equal to 9.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. That makes sense. But obviously, hindsight, we see that we're now saying 9 minus some number, right? So in truth, we are looking for something that is less than 9, right? So if we were going to eliminate an answer on that logic, probably eliminating 6 would have made more sense. And then what 21 over 2, I don't know what that is, but 20 over 2 is 10. So on that logic, probably eliminating the other two. But Maddie, I will applaud you for trying to eliminate some numbers right off the bat because we don't have time to deal with all this stuff. So you're starting to get it. That's fine. This is where we want to miss and we want to make our mistakes here. The process of elimination is the key to putting more time in the bank, but it's also a slippery slope where you can fall and hit your head. So don't do that. What's next?